Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. I recently purchased an HP Omen 15 and I was looking for a mouse that would work well with the Omen. I came across the Omen Reactor mouse. I got it for roughly $55 and well, let's see how it will perform. First, we have some information about the mouse at the front of the package. Just pause the video if you're interested in reading that. One of the sides we have the Omen logo and the same information about the mouse. The other side we have the compatibility and specifications of the mouse. At the back of the package we have detailed information about the mouse. At the bottom of the package we have information about HP. Finally at the top we have the Omen Reactor writing. When you open the flap, you will see the mouse and detailed information about the mouse. Let's just unbox the mouse and see what contents are inside the packaging. First, there's a user manual, some Omen stickers, and I'm pretty sure no one reads this stuff, but it's good to have. Let's now take a look at the mouse. Since it's a wired mouse, we have a USB Type A with some red accents. The cable is actually 2 meters long and is braided with metal, which makes it durable. The mouse is made from plastic and it's pretty lightweight. It has normal buttons as you would expect from a mouse, like scroll wheel and so on. We have 2 macro keys that can be assigned to whatever suits you. As for me, it's copy and paste. We have a switch that can be used to adjust the mouse grip. At the bottom we have the optical light that covers up to 16K dpi. After plugging it in, let's look what it has to offer. By default, the LEDs cycles through different colors. Let's check the Omen command center. Just look at the Omen Reactor and you have a lot of options to choose from. You can change the color of the scroll wheel as well as the Omen logo to your liking. You can also change the brightness of the two separately. Since my keyboard is pink and green, I changed the color to pink and green for the mouse as well. The overall responsiveness is good, as you can see from the screen capture of the Omen command center. Anyway, to conclude, the mouse is plastic built and it's really lightweight. To be honest, I can't really complain since it works as it should and the metal cable should make it durable. I would recommend this mouse if you have an Omen setup, or you can check their latest wireless mouse. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.